welcome back to the channel, and this is episode 2 of our Hilux Overland build. So for those who have been following the socials, you would know that we have done some upgrades to the car, some much needed upgrades, but also some nice to have things which the Lord has blessed us with, and we really cannot complain. So I'm going to go straight into it. In the first video we covered why the brand change, why the Hilux, and all of those type of things. So if you haven't seen that video and you're clicking this video right now, please go have a look on the playlist of the Hilux Overland build. Episode 1 should be there, and I'll also link it up here for you to have a look at. So jumping straight into the build, we have been testing a very exciting product over the last 4 to 5 months, and that is our LUK 4x4 accessories canvas seat covers. Now guys, for any of you who have children, you would know that having seat covers in your car is an absolute must, and we decided to partner up with them. They've decided to also come on board with the build, and they have blessed us with a set of canvas seat covers. And not only are they local, but they also serve the Lord, so what more could we have asked for? The seat covers in themselves, it is premium canvas. I'm not an expert on the canvas at all, and I will link the details of the product specific in the description below if you wanted to have a look. But let me just tell you that these seat covers are absolutely fantastic. We have had our little one spill milk, spill ice cream, water, cool drink, whatever you might think of on these seat covers, and it literally just wipes off. So it doesn't even get through to our leather seats, and that for me is a big thing. Now usually when you think seat covers, you think, oh well, you know, they don't fit that tightly, but let me tell you, these seat covers absolutely fit so tight that it almost looks part of the seat. So they also do have different various options. You can go for the leather that you get to the sides, you can add the leather to them. They also have dash covers. They have the rubber inserts that's actually molded towards the shape of your vehicle, so we would obviously be getting that in the future from them, and we would still like to purchase a dash cover from them as well to just make the vehicle really from inside complete. And to be honest with you, the moment we fitted the seat covers, the bakkie, just literally the ute transformed into feeling like an overlanding vehicle. You know, so we're absolutely stoked. So a huge shout out to them, and thank you to you guys at LUK for supporting the channel and the work that we do. So I will put a link in the description below to their Facebook channel. Head out to them, I'll put their contact details in there. And guys, please support the guys and the products that support the channel. Head out to them. You know, we love supporting local companies. That is literally what we're all about, due to the fact that the market is so flooded at the moment, and you don't really know who to choose from and what to choose from. But from a service perspective, I mean, we ordered the seat covers, within 3 days they were at our doorstep. We could fit them, and since then we have just tested them and we couldn't be happier. So also go check out on our Instagram, we've put a couple of photos on the seat covers as well. I mean, these seat covers, they also don't get that hot in the sun. That's why we personally didn't go with the leather option. And also from an affordability standpoint, I mean, most seat covers you're looking at in the market at the moment, you are in for probably over 15-20,000 rand if you want to fit and kit out the whole car with proper seat covers. I'm not speaking about the seat covers you buy at the local supermarket. I'm talking about high quality product seat covers that will last you forever. So I mean, obviously we want to protect the seats that we have. We have leather seats in the vehicle, and they're still brand new. So for us, when we're looking at seat covers, you know, it was very important for us to get a brand that also understands our mission, and they came aboard. So huge shout out to LUK, thank you so much for the seat covers. So the second part of this video, we will be covering our new rims and our tires. So in a summary, we have decided to go with a Yokohama Geolander mud terrain tire. Now some of you would ask, but why the mud terrains, why not all terrains? Purely from a price standpoint, when we were getting quotations and we were contacting the tire shops and the tire places, the price point for a good quality all-terrain tire comes really close to a good quality mud-terrain tire, and we were willing to pay that additional difference and rather get a mud-terrain tire that also, obviously guys, it's a mud-terrain. So there's not really much I can say about the mud-terrain tire. You know, it's very durable. It's got a 10-ply sidewall. It is a very aggressive tire. and it just looks apart as well. So we will be giving you guys a long-term review of the mud terrain tire, the specific the Yokis, and let you guys know how they fare. Now, one was road noise was a very big concern for me. So the moment that I put them on, I was a bit skeptical. But guys, to be honest with you, this is most probably the best rated mud terrain tire for road noise. If I have to rate it out of 10, I will probably give it a 2 out of 10 for road noise. And guys, that's not me just saying it. I did pay in full for the tires and the rims. This is not a paid promotion. Then in terms of the rims, we went with a Dirty Life rim. Now this Dirty Life rim is a non-beadlock, although it reflects the beadlock. Obviously that's just for looks, but from a price perspective, you know, it did not make sense to put beadlocks on an overlanding vehicle. You know, we wanted a rim that just looks a bit better than the standard rim. We got them for a great steal. We were able to sell our previous rims, put these rims on. So for us it was a no-brainer, and the gentleman where we got the rims from really looked after them, so we can't complain there. But if you guys have any questions on the tires itself, we've received quite a lot of questions on Instagram in terms of the tire size, why the Yokohama Geolander mud terrain, why this, why that. Please set it in the comments and we'll surely get back to you guys. So the tire size is a 265 70/17. Now it is a bit of a bigger profile, and to be honest with you, the Hilux has a standard lift in. It fits perfectly, it works perfectly. The only thing we had to trim was our front mud flaps. Now saying that, obviously our replacement bumper plays a big part in that, in the front section of the vehicle, so we are super stoked, and they really fill the arches of the vehicle beautifully. So I believe once we put in a 2-inch lift, which is normally the case for a Hilux, then I believe it will also look a lot better. But from that, guys, that is basically it on the tires and the rims. So that brings us to the end of episode 2 of the Hilux Overland build. If you've watched us to the end, we really appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that like button, comment something epic if you'd like to know something about the build, or you've got any recommendations on how we can even improve the content. We'd really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, because every Sunday there's going to be a new video. In the next episode, we will be covering our canopy and our 270 awning, and obviously our new edition, which we are getting tomorrow, which we are super excited about. Until next time, remember, the adventure starts with you.